It's adventure time! Adventure time! Come on, grab your friends, we'll go. Adventure time! Come on, grab your friends, we'll go to very distant lands. Athena the owl and Mimi-kun the worm. The fun will never end, it's adventure time. Wait, let me do that again. Adventure time, come on, grab your friends, we'll go to very distant lands. Athena the owl and Mimi-kun the worm. The fun will never end, it's adventure time. Yeah! Everyone, bubblegum. I'm so dumb, I should have just told you what I lost was a piece of your hair. But it's gone, gone forever. But I guess what doesn't matter when I just had all of you there. Oh, just had all of you there with me, my friends. If you're even my friends. You like this? Oh, this is what we were missing. The truth. I don't remember the lyrics for this. What am I to you? Am I a joke, your knight, or your brother? What am I to you? Do you look down on me cause I'm younger? Do you think that I don't understand? I just wanted us to get together and to blaze a band. Last night was the most fun I ever had. I remember the past that we shared over there. I'm making up the lyrics at this point. My best friend in the world. You are my best friend in the world. That's why I'm talking about the two of you girls. And you, Jake, I just want to sing a song about that and I refuse to make it fake. What am I to you? Am I a joke, your knight, or your brother? What am I to you? Do you look down on me cause I'm younger? Do you think that I don't understand? I wanna the past that we shared over there. I'm just replaying the same lyrics. Oh, you are my best friend in the world. You are my best friend in the world. That's right. I'm talking about the two of you girls. And you, Jake, I wanna sing a song so true, I refuse to make it fake. I wanna sing a song so true, break this door break. Yeah, break the door open. But and next stop we have la da 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 da. I'm gonna bury you in the ground. La da 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 da. I'm gonna bury you with my sound. I'm gonna drink the red from your pretty pink face. I'm gonna Marceline, that's so distasteful. Oh yeah? Or just, do you not like it? Or do you just not like me? I'm sorry I don't treat you like a prick. Is that what you want me to do? Sorry I don't treat you like all your little royal subjects do. Sorry I'm not made of sugar. Am I not sweet enough for you? Is that why you always avoid me? I must be such an inconvenience to you, babe. I'm just your problem. I'm just your problem. It's like I'm not even a person, am I? I'm just your problem. Well, I shouldn't have to justify what I do, and I shouldn't have to prove anything to you. I'm sorry that I exist. I forgot what landed me on your blacklist, but I shouldn't have to be the one who makes up with you. But I do, I want to. I do, I want to bury you in the ground. and suck the red from your eye. But we continue on with the Adventure Time medley, and this is a song about Marceline's dad that goes, Daddy, why did you leave me? You created me, so don't you wanna see me? Daddy, why did you make me if you ain't gonna take me to get a burger and a shaky? My cursed blood is your cursed blood, so come on back and be my bud. I can count your visits on my fingertips. Come back and give me presents from your business trips. Daddy, why did you father me if all you wanna do is bother me? Don't you know that I love you? I only wanna see more of you. Oh, Daddy, why did you eat my fries? I bought them and they were mine, but you ate them. Yeah, you ate my fries. And I cried, but you didn't see me cry. Daddy, do you even love me? Well, I wish you'd show it. I wouldn't know it. What kind of father eats his daughter's fries and doesn't even look her in the eye? Daddy, there were tears there. If you saw them, would you even care? But he doesn't really care, yeah. 'Cause Daddy ate my fries, and I'm sad, tears only. But now we're on a happy song that has the same chordal progression. And just imagine you're on a tropical island, 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 underneath the molten lava moon, hanging with the hula dancers, asking questions as they got all the answers. Sitting by the ocean, putting on some lotion, rubbing it on my body, rubbing it on my body, yeah. Get me out of this cave, 'cause nothing but a gladiator grave. And if I stick to the plan, I think I'll turn into a lava man. I think I'll turn into a lava man. But don't turn into a lava man, guys, because we don't want you to be turning into a lava man. Because lava men are scary men. And now we sing a song about a girl who is very, very sweet. And this episode was very fun. Hold up, let me get the chords out. Actually, I want to get better ones. Wait. Give me 1 secondo. I need to get the full lyrics out. Nope, never mind. No, I stopped my run. All right, let's do this. You ready? I feel like nothing was real until I met you. I feel like we connect and I really get you. If I said you're a beautiful girl, would it upset you? 'Cause the way you look tonight, it's silhouetted, I'll never forget it. Oh, Fionna, your fist has touched my heart. Oh, 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 Fionna, I won't let anything in this world keep us apart. I won't let anything in this world keep us apart. it's Heart Papa. Thank you for coming. I miss you. Bye bye. Bye bye. And then we have to go on with the Adventure Time. Fionna. Good little girl, always picking a fight with me. You know that I'm bad, but you're spending the night with me. Why do you want from my world? You're a good little girl. That little boy, that's what you're acting like. I don't really buy that you're that kind of guy. And if you are, why do you wanna hang out with me? Don't you know I'm a villain? Every night I'm out killing. Wait, don't you know I'm a villain? Every night I'm out killing and everyone running like children. I know why you're mad at me. I've got demon eyes in there, looking right through your anatomy, into your deepest fears. Baby, I'm not here, I'm from the nightosphere. To me, you're clear, transparent. You got a thing for me, it's apparent. I got hot potatoes, and I got the hot tomatoes. I got a good sauce, baby, so I'll shake my bottle, baby, and I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking, I'm shaking it all over the table. Oh, for as long as I'm able. La da da da, la da 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 la 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 la, la 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 la. And our next song is also about a girl, but I want to say best girl of the series. And she's so very strong. Susan Strong, this is where you belong. Hang with me on a fallen tree. Don't you think you deserve this, to live up here on the surface? Well, I think you do, and I think all your friends do too. How long have you lived in the darkness? I just wanna show you the light, because you're a human just like me, Susan, and I want you in my life. Susan Strong, you turn my heart on. Oh yeah. I can't keep pushing this down any deeper. When I can't keep her. Just wanna be a maid and maybe go on a date. There's a fire inside my body, and there's a fire inside my heart, and this fire is gonna consume me, and I'm just waiting for this thing to start. Oh, it's like I'm all warmed up inside. It's like I'm all warmed up inside. It's like I'm all warmed up inside. And this is a sad song. My hot dog's dead. My pizza's dead. My cupcake is dead. My donut's dead. My burger's dead. My milkshake is dead. Sad. All my favorite foods are totally dead. They cannot procreate in little food beds. I mix them up and turn them into stuff, and we'll cry over their graves. But you can't cry enough 'Cause when you miss someone you love, you can't cry enough. Sag. What about Jake's version? I will sing it next time. And this one is about Marceline and her daddy issues again. I know you just wanna give your little girl the world, but daddy, I'm not just your little girl. I got my own life, I got my own plans. I hope you understand, it's just the way that I am. And I want your respect, but I wanna be here. But I don't wanna roll the night sphere. Oh. Oh, do you remember this one? You're so annoying, you pitiful old man. Oh wait, how did Oh Bubblegum go again? Oh Bubblegum, outside. That was a really good outfit. Here we go. Slime princess, you're alright. Flame princess, you're okay. Wildberry princess could do better. All my favorite princesses are pretty alright, but oh, Bubblegum, you look like a lot of fun. I'm right outside, and that's just how I know. Hey princess, did you get my text with a picture of my awesome gun show? I'm also working on my pecs. If you like, I'll send a picture of that too. Oh, Bubblegum, I really need someone or anyone, pretty much anyone. I am so alone. Why won't somebody tell me what's going on with me? Anybody, 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 anybody. And then this is a song about Marceline singing to Ice King. You're so annoying, you pitiful old man. I'd like to help you, but I don't know if I can. I thought you were nuts, but you're really, really, really nuts. Every time I turn around and not hanging around, it's just another lame excuse to see me, man. It's bringing me down. I know you actually want to see you. Maybe I'm the one who's nuts. Do you remember that? And then, so there were so many songs from that episode. And then this one was the last one. Oh, Marceline, is it just you and me in the wreckage of the world? It must be so confusing for such a little girl. And I know you're gonna need me here with you, but I'm losing myself and I'm afraid you're gonna lose me too. This magic keeps me alive, but it's making me crazy, and I need to save you, but who's gonna save me? Please forgive me for whatever I do when I don't remember you. Marceline, I can feel myself slipping away. I can't remember what it made me say, but I remember that I saw you frown. I swear it wasn't me, it was the crown. This magic keeps me alive, but it's making me crazy, forgive me for whatever I do when I don't remember you. Da, 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 da. And that is what it is. And now we sing the last song of my ad medley, which is my favorite song from Adventure Time. You ready? Upbeat song. Let's do... Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wake up in the morning and there's one thing on my mind. My tummy starts to rumble, couldn't stop it if I tried. There's so much stuff to do today, but we should start it right. I need to get some nourishment or else I'll start to cry. I walk into the kitchen and I don't know what to eat. I'm trying to decide between a cake and strips of meat, but they both sound so good tonight, one would be a crime. We'll put them together and we'll have adventure time. Baking pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancakes. Bacon pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and I put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what it's gonna make. Bacon pancakes. Thank you. And that was Athena's Adventure Time medley. I hope you guys enjoyed that.